Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain school assistant app review to see if it worth using. So let's get started with the in-depth review about the school assistance app. So school assistant is a student planner app designed to help you stay on top of your academic life. It lets you organize your class schedule, track assignment, set reminder for homework and exams, and also monitor your grades all in one easy to use interface. The app also includes features like automatic silent mode during class time, customizable notification, and widgets that display your next class or task. Many students find it helpful for managing busy school routine, and it supports both Android and iOS. While the app is highly rated, it's not completely flawless. Some users have reported occasional bugs, synchronization issues, or slow update, especially when using it on older devices. Additionally, advanced features like grade tracking or integration with Google Classroom might feel a bit limited compared to premium academics planner. Still, School Assistant is what if you want a free, functional, and user-friendly tools to stay organized throughout your school years. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review like this.